Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com, and today we're going to talk about one of the greatest helmet deals we've ever offered here at STG. The Scorpion EXO-R1 Air is one of my favorite helmets. You go back to the first review I've ever done for that helmet. I got to ride in one before they were even here in the US. They sent me an early one of the European models. I loved it. I raved about it. And what I really enjoy about this helmet is that it delivers what I believe is that premium level of performance and safety in a much more affordable package. The retail on the helmet sitting here in front of me was $489.95. We have each of these helmets currently on the website listed for $199.95 on closeout. We bought deep. It was hundreds. They are all in stock here at STG. One of the questions people like to ask when you have a closeout is how old is the helmet? We went in and sampled some date codes for each one of the two graphics on the table. And what we found is they look to be built around February of 2024. So for a closeout, these are super fresh. So at this $199 price point, we've already established you're getting a premium level of performance and safety. There's also some great value adds that come with this helmet. You'll note that each one of them on the table right now has the dark smoke screen already attached. That's because it is included. The helmet is going to ship with a dark smoke screen as well as the clear screen. They include this nice shield bag to protect whichever shield you are not using. Here is the clear that comes installed on the helmet. Each of the shields is pin lock insert ready. Pin lock is the best way to do the anti-fog. It includes the pin lock 70 insert that can be installed on either the dark smoke or the clear screen, moved back and forth if you choose to do so. The helmet bags that are included with the helmets are also, as far as helmet bags go for storage and transport, they're well padded, and they did them right in the individual graphic. They're screen printed for the helmet. So this one right here, the red and black, this is the FC Baron Munchen. Maybe I'm saying it right, maybe I'm not. I guess this is a soccer team. So Scorpion decided to make soccer team replica helmets. That's awesome. I'm not sure why you would do it, but it definitely created a great closeout opportunity for all of our STG customers. Give you a nice 360 of the Baron Munchen. Probably just butchered the shit out of that name. Love these helmets. Very lightweight, size medium, weighs 3.3 pounds on our shipping scale. Centrally located locking mechanism. Super comfy interior. It's got the AirFit cheek pads. You're able to pump that up and really dial the fit in the cheek pad area to best suit you. The other graphic is the FC Barcelona. Give you a good 360 of this one too. Even when you have these in your hands, you can feel how light these are. You get some of the Snell certified full face helmets in a size medium. Those are going to come in at more like 3.6 to 3.7 pounds. So the 3.3 is quite light. These are DOT and ECE certified. And if you remember when this helmet was first released too, this is one that Fabio Quartararo rode around in on the factory Yamaha team. That helmet sold great. That was a great looking graphic. So there you have it. While supplies last, probably the best helmet value that we've ever offered. You're getting a $500 helmet, 2 shields, a pin lock insert for under $200 only at SportbikeTrackGear.com.